And the nerve of me to walk through the camera with this wig on, like I wasn't supposed to show y'all. I installed it over my locks. But anyway, what's up, kings and queens and everything in between? I'm Keisha with Crimes by Keisha, and you're back with another video. My client came in for a detox. As you can see, the white spots that are all in his locks. Like any other client, I do some type of consultation before we start, and I get looking at the scalp and asking questions. What kind of products do you use on a daily? Anything? Nothing?
I be trying to keep my scalp oil, but it don't work.
The oil don't work, or you don't work? It work
both.
I was not fucking with you, man. Come on, let's get on back here.
I don't work.
I love messing with my clients. They so funny. But you know, sometimes you gotta have a stylist that's gonna keep it real with you and call you out on your own BS. But anyway, here we are putting the baking soda on his scalp and locks. I'm trying to make sure I get it everywhere on his scalp before we get to the apple cider vinegar part. I'm just moving his locks out the way, putting it all in the back, on the sides, covering his entire head. Now, I'm sure y'all done seen a lot of videos of people doing detox, so I ain't gonna try to talk too much because y'all see what's going on. Baking soda on there. Now we're pouring the apple cider vinegar on. It's sizzling up. So he's just trying to get that apple cider vinegar in there, work it into the bottom of his locks. I filled the bottom up with water so that all of the baking soda and apple cider vinegar goes down into the sink bowl, and I can clean the bottom of his locks as well. Now I had to slow this part down because this one I got to squeezing, trying to get the product out, and that's a lot of gum. It's not nasty to me. It's really not. It's more fascinating than anything. Like, it's nasty because there's dirt in there, but it's fascinating because it's getting clean. I'm getting it out, you know, so there's really no worries. Also, this is my man's song playing in the background, so if y'all enjoy the song, please go to his page and support. So we let that water out, rinse his hair out really, really, really good. Get all, as much as the product off as possible. I'm just trying to make sure I get it all off so that we can do a round 2. Round 2, baking soda is on there. Pouring the vinegar. I had to use white vinegar this time because I ran out of apple cider vinegar. But vinegar is vinegar, baking soda is baking soda, so it works. I did that process like 3 times. I washed them real good. And I collected the water from each time, so I want y'all to see how dirty his hair started and how clean we got it. Ooh, look at all of that. Second one, not so bad, it's a little bit clearer, but that last one was a whole lot clearer. Whole lot clearer. Ooh, just look at them side by side. Good Lord. Alright, so we got my client all washed up. As you can see, I'm gonna do a zoom in, but we got all those white spots out of his head. He is nice, clean, and detoxed and ready for a retwist. The retwist is standard. There's nothing special about that, so I'm not gonna go into detail about that. But I do want to give a little bit of background on why I am making these YouTube videos. You know, I've spent years and years planning to do this YouTube and never went through with it. And over the years, I have so many videos, so many pictures that I just need to get out. And instead of me worried about them not being the right angle or the right lighting and blase, just get it done. Even this one, the videos of him being at the sink, he recorded on his phone, which is why it wasn't the best quality itself. But we got it done. I'm posting the video. You know, I'm really just overall proud of myself for just sticking to it and not worried about, you know, how it's gonna look to everybody else. Just get your content out. It'll get better over time. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to come back next week for video number 3. Thank y'all for watching.
If you want it, we can get it right here. Try to put your legs in the air. I'm trying to get you you wet, you wet. Put it on, you no excuses. So baby, let's get you wet, you wet. So baby, let's get you wet, you wet. I'm trying to get you wet, you wet. Put it on, you no excuses. So baby, let's get you wet, you wet. So baby, let's get you wet, you wet. See you looking in the mirror. I see you, girl. See you checking my gang. I'ma make the night perfect. Tonight you got to put your groove on me. Now I know you're really flawless. Don't give a damn wherever they feel tonight. You vibing like a rider. Got that vibe you don't get tired of. Girl, I'm